In this lesson, we'll take a look at raw string literals. The variable we have created now returns an error to us. This is due to the fact that we define double quotes without using escape characters in double quotes. We can fix the error by putting backslash in front of them. Our error was fixed and we successfully printed. Of course, single quotes defined within double quotes are not a problem. Let's fix this error by using raw string literal. Let's print the text using r and hashtag. As you can see, the backslashes lost their function thanks to the raw string and were printed on the screen, so you can delete it. Moreover, you can put hashtag in it without any problem. If you just type hashtag after the double quotes, you will get an error. You can fix this by defining the hashtag numbers you defined outside to be one more than inside. Now, in our example, it wasn't that hard to type the escape characters as there are two double quotes, but I say think again, especially when working with file formats such as JSON used by web developers. You can simply integrate such a format into your applications using a raw string literal. Apart from this, it is possible to say that it is a very useful feature that will be useful in various formats such as SQL queries, HTML, and TOML.